Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into the MAYFLASH F300 arcade fight stick. This isn't just any joystick, it's a versatile powerhouse compatible with a huge range of systems. We're talking PlayStation 4, PlayStation 3, Switch, Xbox Series X Vertical Bar S, Xbox One, Xbox 360, PC, macOS, Steam Deck, even Android and Neo Geo Mini. Seriously, it's incredibly compatible. The F300 boasts Sunward-Denshi-compatible buttons and joystick, making customization a breeze. Want to tweak it to your exact preferences? Go for it. It supports both X input and input for PC, and packs turbo functions with adjustable speeds. Need it to work with your PS5? Grab the MAYFLASH Magic S Ultimate Adapter or Magic Boots Converter, and you're set. Out of the box, you get the arcade stick itself, a manual, a meter-long USB cable, a USB-C cable, and even an octagonal gate. The build quality is impressive, a sturdy metal panel adds weight and stability, and large rubber feet keep it firmly planted during intense matches. Plus, those 4.5 stars from over 6,700 ratings speak for themselves. Customers rave about its value for money, praising its ease of customization, and calling it a perfect entry point for newcomers to the fighting stick world. While some have noted mixed feedback on button responsiveness, the overall consensus is positive, making this a top contender in the budget-friendly arcade stick market. So, are you ready to elevate your gaming experience? The MAYFLASH F300 might just be your perfect match. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more gaming gear reviews.